Welcome to the Daily Business and Finance Show. Maritime turmoil, Maersk halts Red Sea voyages amid Houthi attacks, the 2024 electric vehicle dilemma, fewer models qualify for full tax credit, China's manufacturing crisis intensifies as factories falter. NIO's December deliveries surge for third consecutive month, Las Vegas casinos bet on continued winning streak into 2024, Japan on high alert, tsunami warning issued following earthquake, trading halted for New Year's celebrations. Biotech M&A and IPOs in 2024, what to expect? Real estate stocks rise, yet lag behind S&P 500, anticipated rate cuts could provide boost in 2024. Stay tuned after this short ad break to delve deeper into these headlines. Maritime behemoth AP Maersk has temporarily halted Red Sea operations for a period of 48 hours due to safety issues affecting a crucial commerce pathway. In spite of the establishment of a naval task force led by the U.S., assaults persist in the Bab el-Mandeb Strait. The vessel Maersk Hangzhou was recently under attack, leading to demands for the Biden administration to target Yemeni missile and drone bases. This scenario could potentially influence shipping stocks and freight rates.
From the first day of January 2024, a mere 13 models of electric vehicles are eligible for the $7,500 U.S. consumer tax credit. This is due to more stringent regulations on sourcing parts from China. The number has fallen from an earlier count of 25 models. Vehicles that use batteries produced by Chinese manufacturers are now excluded under these new rules. However, automakers are adapting their supply chains in order to retain eligibility for this clean vehicle credit.
The Manufacturing Purchasing Managers Index, or PMI, in China has seen a decline for the third month in a row, now standing at 49.0. This is below the anticipated figure of 49.5. On the other hand, there's been an increase in the non-manufacturing PMI for 12 consecutive months, reaching 50.4, which is slightly below expectations.
NIO, a Chinese manufacturer of electric vehicles, has announced a 13.9% increase in deliveries for December 2023 compared to the same period last year, with a total of 18,012 vehicles delivered. In the fourth quarter alone, the company delivered 50,045 vehicles, an increase of 25%. Over the course of the year, NIO delivered more than 160,000 vehicles, which represents an approximate rise of 31%. The cumulative deliveries have now reached close to 500,000. The company's new Model ET9 is scheduled to begin deliveries in early 2025.
In November, casinos on the Las Vegas Strip experienced a significant 22.6% increase in gross gaming revenue compared to the previous year, reaching a total of $821 million. This substantial growth can be attributed to events such as the F1 Formula race and recent casino openings. Revenue from table games saw an impressive surge of 61.9%, amounting to $410.1 million. Baccarat wins at Strip properties also witnessed a remarkable rise of 208.7%, totaling $178.3 million. However, there was a minor decrease in slot wins during this period, but it didn't affect the overall visitation, which saw a modest increase of 0.8%. Industry analysts are forecasting that the annual F1 event could consistently enhance November revenues for casino operators.
An earthquake with a magnitude of 7.6 has struck the northwest coast of Japan, leading to immediate orders for evacuation and a tsunami warning predicting waves as high as 16 feet. All major highways and train services have been shut down, while power plant operations have been suspended for safety inspections. The Tokyo Stock Exchange will continue to remain closed for the New Year holidays until Wednesday. This event serves as a stark reminder of the catastrophic quake and tsunami in 2011 that resulted in nearly 20,000 fatalities.
In the year 2023, the biotech sector witnessed a significant surge in mergers and acquisitions, commonly referred to as M&A. High-profile transactions included AbbVie's acquisition of ImmunoGen for a staggering $10 billion and Bristol Myers' $14 billion purchase of Karuna Therapeutics. Despite facing regulatory challenges, the sector recorded an all-time high of 24 deals, showing an increase from 22 in 2020. Market analysts predict this trend to persist into 2024 due to favorable market signals and substantial cash reserves held by companies. Concurrently, despite a relatively cooler environment compared to past years, the initial public offering market, also known as IPO, appears promising.
Stocks in the real estate sector, which didn't perform as well as the S&P 500 last year due to increased rates, may see a resurgence with anticipated rate reductions in 2024. The ETF for the real estate select sector SPDR fund saw an approximate growth of 8% in 2023, however it lagged behind the S&P surge of 27%. Experts foresee a possible recovery for real estate if inflation halts and rates become more lenient. Nonetheless, investors are advised to concentrate on total returns rather than solely on dividend yields. The ETF has received a buy recommendation from Seeking Alpha's quant rating system.
And that's a wrap on the Daily Business and Finance Show. Stay savvy, stay informed, and we'll catch you in the next episode. Until then, keep thriving. I'm Montgomery Jones.
And I'm Amalia Dupre. See you later, until tomorrow comes around.
This content is sourced from the Seeking Alpha website, so support our podcast by becoming a Seeking Alpha Premium subscriber. See the show notes page for links to sign up. This episode is produced by Classic Studios. This podcast provides information only and should not be construed as financial or business advice. Check out our other podcasts in our network at classicstudios.com.